Yes.
Nakidnap po ba kayo? Sinakay po ba kayo sa puting van? Hindi naman po, no? So, na-invite po kayo by a friend. And by the way, please thank this person, he or she, kasi really cares for you. Kaya po kayo na-invite today. So, may you raise the hand of the first timer. Yan po, no? First timer. Yung first time lang po na nakapunta dito sa Riway. Wow! Ang dami! So, let's give yourself a round of applause. So, thank you very much po for your coming here in Riway International. And I hope hindi po nasayang yung araw niyo po ngayon. And dito lang po yung mata sa harap kasi may maganda po dito sa harap.
Yes.
Hanapin niyo lang po kung nasaan. So anyway, I'm Lou Hambaro and I'm already 55 years old. And I've been here to Riway almost 7 years. So, before joining Riway, yan po, no, sabi na ni Miss Cristinelli, no, before joining Riway, I was just an ordinary housewife for 27 years. And I become a lady Uber driver. Uber po. But now, no more Uber. And before, nung nag-drive po ako ng Uber, ano, katulad na sinabi po niya, no, when I apply as a lady Uber driver, we are 20 in that room. And 19 of them are male. So pagpasok ko po dun sa Uber, dun sa pinag-a-apply namin as a lady, as a driver, ano, as an Uber, lahat ng tao nakatingin sa akin. Sabi niya, "Ma'am, dun ka po sa kabilang room. Kasi doon po ang call center." Sabi ko, "Sir, dito po ako mag-a-apply. I will apply for an lady Uber driver." And did you know that time we are just 5 lady Uber driver in the whole Philippines. And isa po ako doon. So hanapin niyo po yung 4. Yeah. So anyway, before joining Riway, I'm just an ordinary housewife. Yan, I married at a very young age of 19 years old. Kaya yun? Yan. 19 years old. So, pag 19 years old, there are no planning at all. Parang naisip lang namin na mag-asawa na lang po kami. And but because of that bad decision, yan po, no, our whole family suffered. Kasi pag wala kang planning at all, ano pong nangyayari? Hindi mo alam kung saan ka titira. You are still a kid, di ba po? You have a bad decision in your life. But thankfully, we are already, hello! Hi! Yan. So, harap lang po dito. Kasi may maganda sa harap. Hanapin niyo lang po kung nasaan. So, yan. Because of that bad decision, yan po, no, nung nagkaanak po kami, 2 of our son was diagnosed to be special. Our eldest was diagnosed to have global developmental delay, and that is mental retardation in layman's term. The second one was diagnosed to have ADHD with language disorder, meaning he is non-verbal until the age of 10 years old. And when he was diagnosed po, yung 2 of my son, parang my whole world crashed. Parang, what will I do with these children? Anong gagawin ko? And did you know, ever since that my children was diagnosed for that, I keep on praying. Alam niyo po ba yung pinagpe-pray ko? Gusto niyo po bang malaman?
Yes.
I keep on praying for God to take my children ahead of me. And if you are a mother, could you pray for that? Di ba po? It's really very hard. And for the past years, I keep on praying, God, if you cannot prolong my life, please take away my children ahead of me. And every day, I keep on praying for that. But did you know that God's way is not our way?
Yes.
Diba po? Yung akala natin, tama para sa sarili natin, hindi pala po yun yung plan na gusto ni Lord para sa atin. Yan po, no? So, to cut the long story short po, no? I have a husband, yan po, no? We are married for 35 years. Although he is a seaman by profession, maganda lang po pakinggan na you have a husband earning dollars, but in reality, if you have only one source of income in the family, madali po mahirap. Mahirap, Especially dito sa mga nanay, yung mga full-time housewife. Taas nga po yung mga kamay ng mga full-time housewife. Taas sa kamay, yan. So, let's give them a round of applause. Alam niyo po, paano kayo magkakasweldo Yan. So anyway po, sobrang mahirap. I was totally dependent to my husband for 27 years. The ultimo, yung yung innerwear mo, no? Or yung lingerie mo, no? Asawa mo yung bibili. And since I'm a registered midwife by profession, pinalaki po kami ng mga magulang namin na sabi, dapat kahit babae ka, marunong kang magtrabaho para hindi ka lang mando-mandohan ng asawa mo or hindi ka aapihin ng mga in-laws mo. Correct? Yes. Mahina. Correct po? Yes. Yes. So, since bata ako, na nag-asawa, tumira sa mga biyanan, sobrang po mahirap. Taas po yung nakaka-relate. Wala, lahat kasundo niyo yung biyanan nyo. So, mahirap. So, pag gigising yung biyanan ko ng alas 5, alas 4 pa lang, gigising na ako kasi ayoko masabihan. But, you know, hello! Yan. But, you know po, kahit ganon, may masasabi at masasabi pa rin sila sa'yo. Yan. So, I want to be independent. So, anything that I can earn money, I grab the opportunity. I do Avon, personal collection. Naglinis po ako ng condominium in BGC. And even, even naggawa po ako ng sarili kong formulation of dishwashing liquid and laundry detergent soap. Kasi every time papasok sa school yung mga anak ko, since I'm a 24/7 housewife, para kumita po ako, para pagka may pan-therapy yung anak ko, para bibentahan ko po yung mga yaya or yung mga nana, yung mga lola. Ang gagawin ko, friendship ko po sila. Yan. Siyempre, friendship ka, sabi ko, huy, sa akin ka na kumuha ng dishwashing liquid or detergent soap. Yan. So pagka uwi namin ng anak ko, meron na kaming pan-tricycle, pang-jeep, and sabihin mo sa akin, I will earn 200 or 500 pesos, I will grab that opportunity. Yan. Kasi mahirap po na mangutang. Diba po? Kasi at the end of the day, if fixed po yung income ng husband ko, alam ko na it's always from table to mouth. And that time, yung special education is not free here in the Philippines. It's 65,000 per child. And plus auxiliary service. Ano po yung mga auxiliary service? Like before, hindi nakakapagsalita ang anak ko, they need speech therapy. They need occupational therapy, and they need one-on-one tutor. So sobrang mahirap but nalagpasan namin po yun mag-asawa. And then suddenly, nung lumalaki na po yung anak ko, yung sweldo ng husband ko, hindi lumalaki, hindi siya sumasabay. So until, nangyayari na lang po, we always borrow money from our relatives, from other people, until one of our relatives sabi, you know, your family is a parasite. You know, it's really very hard to accept it. Diba? Kasi sabi ko, if only I can get an opportunity, I will truly grab it. So, nung nag-drive ako ng Uber, that's when I met our Team Supreme Pegasus 1, Miss Loman Shane, and currently she is here, maybe she is in the back, and let's give her a round of applause. When she ride in my Uber, specifically, she sit in front. And then, sabi ko parang weird, usually they sit at the back. So, siya po yung nag-share sa akin about this company and about the product. But before that, parang feeling ko lang po pala yun, na binibentahan niya ako. So, she explained to me the product presentation of our product. Since I'm a registered midwife by profession, I understood. Sabi ko, if this product can prolong my life, even for 10 years, I think, sabi ko, it's really worth it. But when I asked how much, sabi ko, can I buy one bottle? So sabi niya, sabi ko, how much is one bottle? So sinabi niya po yung price. Alam niyo po anong nangyari? Gusto niyo po malaman kung anong nangyari? I break. At yung ulo po ni Miss Loman Shane almost hit the dashboard. And napatingin ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, this must be scam. Mahal naman. But she keeps on talking and telling me about the product, about the company, that our company is a bio research company, and the technology is from Singapore. And I really wanted to try the product. Do you know why?
Why?
Because I want to prolong my life, even for 10 years for my children. Because before, I suffered adenomyosis, endometritis, and polyps and ovarian cysts that leads to my operation. And sabi ko nga po sa inyo, I keep on praying to God. Sabi ko, sana yung mga anak ko yung mauna. Kasi, pag alam ko na nauna yung mga anak ko, alam ko na kay Lord na sila. But if ako yung una mawawala, or even my husband, parang I cannot take it. And as a mother, it's really very hard to pray for that. Kasi in our society, di ba po, hindi po yung magulang yung maglilibing sa anak. Is it true?
Yes.
Ang dapat po, di ba, in our culture, yung anak yung maglilibing sa magulang. So, nung nalaman ko about this product, sabi ko, I really wanted to try it. But sabi ko, I don't have money. I have a poor mind setting. Alam niyo po, ang lagi kong sinasabi, even bibili ako ng tsinelas before, gusto niyo pong malaman kung ano? Even bibili ako ng 30 pesos na tsinelas before sa palengke. Iniisip ko, I could not afford it. Yun po pala, when I keep on attending meetings like this, my mindset has changed. Dapat po pala, ang mindset po natin, pag nakita natin how much is that price, ang dapat po pala sinasabi natin, how could I afford it? Ulitin po natin.
How could I afford it?
So let's give yourself a round of applause po. Yan. Dapat pala, yun ang mindset natin. And luckily, for the longest 6 months that this lady, our Team Supreme Pegasus One, Miss Loman Shane, keeps on texting me, inviting me to attend to a presentation which I rejected for 6 long months. Sabi ko nga if I only knew what she's sharing to me could change our whole family's life 180 degrees, sabi ko, I will run to you. Kaya lang hindi niya po in-explain mabuti. So leaders, please, pag may clients po kayo, kung meron kayong prospect to be a leader, explain it very well. Para hindi po 6 na buwan, naghahabol-habol ka doon, yung pala yun ang kailangan ng kliyente mo. Di ba po? So kasi hindi niya po ma-explain because ang sabi niya, takalog niya konti lang. Siyempre, ayoko siya kausapin masyado. Tanungin mo bakit?
Bakit?
Gusto mo mag-English?
No.
Ayoko. Nosebleed. So for 6 months, when she invited me, suddenly, naka-receive ako ng text. I was caught in the traffic there, kasi nga Uber driver ako, for 6 hours because of a Science Summit. And if you check November 11, 2017, there is a Science Summit there in SMX. And na-traffic po ako here in Pacific Drive. For 6 hours, nakaupo lang po ako dyan, waiting na mag-move konti-konti kasi binarakade po nila yan. So when I received the text, sabi niya, Ate, if you happen to be near in our office, I'm inviting you to a leadership training seminar. Sabi ko, tama talaga yung babaeng yun. Ba't niya ako i-invite din ng leadership training seminar? Sabi ko na nga, housewife ako Uber ako But, did you know that she texted me again? Tanong niyo po ano? Sabi niya, by the way, ate there is merienda. Gusto mag-merienda? Taas mo yung kamay?
Yes.
Mamaya po, meron tayo dyan dinner buffet. And let's keep Freeway International for providing that. So anyway, sabi ko, ding! Sounds good Sabi ko, I will just park my car there. And then, papasok ako dyan. But suddenly, pagpasok ko po dyan, I am just wearing a tarpo na nakapang-dry. Yung nakamaong na jacket, ripped jeans, sira pa yung sandals ko kasi wala akong pambili. Suddenly, pagpasok ko dyan, nandiyan na po si Miss Loman Shane. And she has the eye of a tiger. Sabi niya, ate, come here. Hinihila po niya ako. Ako naman, I don't lie. Anong niyo po ba? because they are wearing like a mafia. Sabi ko naman ba mga godfather ba yung nasa loob niyan? And I'm really very intimidated. Bakit po? Tanong niyo bakit? I'm a 27 years housewife. I cannot look you at the eye and face to face, I don't like. Kasi parang, ay, mayaman yan. Nagtrabaho yan sa bangko. I cannot talk to her. I cannot talk to her. Ano sasabihin ko? But, si Miss Loman Shane po, ang ginawa niya, she grabbed my hand and hinila-hila niya po ako umupo. And sabi ko, no, I will just sit down there. Doon po sa tinatayuan ni Sir, yan, nakasalamin. Diyan lang po ako umupo. But did you know, when she give me the merienda, sabi ko, mamaya, pag natapos ko na to, eat and run. Sarado niyo po yan, kasi baka lumayas na. Ay, hindi pa naman po kayo kumakain, no? So anyway, but the minute someone stand up here and share her personal testimony, no other than our Team Supreme Pegasus 9, Miss Diane Gemma Ang, and let's give her a round of applause. She said, for the love of our mom, we let our mom take the product, even this product is expensive. My tears dropped, and I keep on crying. I keep on crying, because I remember, my mom got stroke at the age of 54. She suffered 8 long years. She works in Saudi Arabia for 25 years. And we didn't able to hug her for 25 years. Suddenly, when she went here in the Philippines together with my father, they are very sick. My father has heart enlargement because of working abroad, working 24 hours in a foreign land. And we didn't able to have memories with them. That's why I told to myself, if I'm going to have a children, no matter how hard it is, I will not leave my children. That's why kahit mahirap po, kahit gusto ko silang iwanan, I'm a registered midwife by profession. Easily, I can go to England, I can go to Europe, I can go to US and be a registered midwife. But I didn't left my children because my children needs me. So, when Miss Diane is sharing her personal testimony, I remember my mom. Sabi ko, sana may ganito. Sana may ganito nung nanay ko may sakit. Di ba? How I wish I was able to let my mom take the product and my father take the product. But I could no longer do it now. But I remember, sabi ko, meron pa ako mga tito, tita, maybe, sabi ko, I can share it to them. Did you know that I was able to share this product to my aunts in Sydney, Australia, who suffered kidney cancer, only 11% kidney function. Now, she is alive and she is already 81 years old with 90% kidney function. So it becomes our advocacy. And now, our family, hindi lang po siya yung nagbe-benefits. I have here a leader who I really doesn't know and not a single drop of blood, but treated me as a family. And let's give them a round of applause. She is Tita Amelia, our Diamond 3 star. She is bedridden before, waiting for San Pedro daw. Waiting na lang for her, in her deathbed, but suddenly, her kumare invited her. And when I told her, kumare, tita, gusto mo bawi ka at dun sa investment mo, you invite 20 people, we're going to help you and present to you. And sabi niya, sige, I will invite 20 people. And suddenly, from Las Piñas to Panay Avenue, Quezon City, alam niyo po gaano kalayo? It took us 3 hours because of traffic. And when we went to her office, there is only 2 tao. 2 tao. And then, but anyway, it doesn't matter. We presented as if me and my son presented as if there is 100 people. Yan, 100 people. Paano nagpe-present kami sa 100 people? But I noticed, Tita is sleeping. Nakayuko po siya. Kaganon po siya. Sabi ko, after the presentation, syempre, nagmamarunong, no? Sabi ko, Tita, how do you find the product? Sabi niya, ha? Ano yon? Sabi ko, life cell therapy po, Tita. Ang una niyang tinanong sa akin, networking ba yan? Sabi ko, bakit kaya ang talino nito? Ngayon lang niya nalaman. Sabi ko, yes po. Kasi sabi sa akin ni Miss Lomanche, if someone asked you if this is networking, you should be very proud. So, sabi ko, yes po, Tita. This is a networking company. And tinanong niya naman ako. Tanong niyo po, ano tinanong niya? Ano? Sabi niya, binary ba yan? Saka ko lang nga nalaman na binary. Pero, alam ko na noon. Sabi ko, yes po, Tita. It's a binary. You know why? She knows about supplement and about networking company because she has joined 35 networking company looking for a hope for herself. Para gumaan ng konti yung buhay niya. From having a diaper, from having totally blind siya, now she is our Diamond 3-star. Let's give her a round of applause. So anyway, here in Riway International, ladies and gentlemen, wala po siyang qualification when you do Riway. You doesn't have to be a doctor, you doesn't have to be a nurse, medical field, a lawyer, an engineer. There is no such thing as a qualification. But there is only 4 criteria, and that is written in our NDO. Ulitin po natin, ilan pong criteria? 4 criteria. Yan, in doing this business, this Riway International. And this is written in our new distributor orientation. First is, do you know what the first is? That is professional image. So, tingnan niyo po yung mga katabi niyo. Mukha po ba yung mga professional? Yes! Yan. Tingnan niyo po mabuti. Yan. Idli ko. And dapat po daw, we need to have a professional image. And we should also be healthy. Mamaya, nag-aalok ka, lulugo-lugo ka naman dyan. Upo ka na. Diba? Halika, magiging healthy ka rito. Diba? Paano maniniwala yung kliyente mo? Diba? Or yung eye bags mo, maleta na. Diba? Kailangan pagpasok mo doon sa pasyente mo para kasi Bea Alonso, yung hinahangin-hangin yung sabi mo, healthy. Diba? Ganon. Yan, we should be healthy and presentable. Kasi, first impression, yan. So, ano po yung first natin? Nakalimutan agad? Okay. So, next time po when we meet our clients, we should look, what? Professional. Yan. Kailangan malinis din yung shoes. Mamaya, professional ka, nakaano ka naman dyan. Dirty-dirty naman yung shoes mo. Linis-linis din. And then, second is, we need to have adequate and sufficient knowledge. Kailangan, hindi naman pabida-bida ka dyan, Yan. Lahat alam mo na. But at least, you are aware sa, halimbawa sa news, kung ano yung update na news, o for example, sa sports, hindi yung paggamit mo yung mga kliyente mo, nagbibilog-bilog-bilog ka na dyan. Pag nagbilog-bilog-bilog ka na dyan, ay nako, good, sayonara. Hindi ka na inimit niyan. You should be well-conversed dun sa mga kliyente mo. And doon po pumapasok din yung FORM. Pero sa ibang topic yun. But para sa first-timer, what is FORM? Is family, occupation, recreation, and monetary or money. Kailangan, alamin mo po kung sinong kausap mo. Yan, ano bang kailangan niya? Kailangan, if he is professional, or for example, he is an engineer, at least meron ka konti knowledge. Konti lang huwag sobrang marami. Pwede naman konti-konti lang. Or he is into sports. Gusto ka niya kausapin, di ba? Kasi you are well-conversed. Or, for example, mahilig siya manood ng TV. Alam niyo yung probinsyano, kailangan alam mo rin ng konti, di ba? And for example, recently, nag-swimming silang family. Siyempre, aalamin mo, ano ba ginagawa niya? That is part of recreation. So, wag yung kailangan na, ang kakailangan pala po, when we talk to our clients, yung gusto nilang marinig. Hindi yung gusto mo laging sabihin, "Uy, wait, pure tear. Di ba po? Kasi pagka ganon, goodbye, ayoko kakausapin. Pero once tinanong mo yung clients mo, ba't hindi ka nag-attend nung last week? Meron kami. Sabi niya kasi nag-swimming kami. Sabi ko, wow, talaga? So, if ganun po yung ipapakita mo, you are interested to this person. So, hindi mo lang siya tinitignan as a peso sign. Kasi, he or she is a person. Correct? And you are building rapport to this person. So, next time that you are going to meet with this person, di ba po gusto ka niya uli kausapin? But if you're going to present agad your tear, i-present mo agad yung pabilog-bilog ka dyan, next time they won't talk to you. They will hide from you. So third is, ano po yung next? Strive for excellence or winner attitude. So hindi ka po pumunta dito sa Riway, sabi niya, ay hindi, kita-kita lang ako ng pera. But people will notice you na gusto mo lang kumita ka ng pera. You should invite these people to also win here in Riway International. And you yourself, dapat, you should also prove to yourself, not to other people, but prove to yourself lang po, no, that you have this kind of winner's attitude. And you can invite people to come in also here in Riway. And the fourth is integrity. So ano po ba sabi ng integrity? You must deal honestly to those people na kinakausap mo. You need to deal with them honestly. So if you give a good service to them, doon sa mga people below you, definitely they will recommend you to other people. Sasabihin nila, hoy, alam mo, dineliver sa akin to. Binigyan pa ako ng mug with coffee. Sometimes, we also need to bring banana. Alam nyo, pag ayaw na po ng banana, pwede po kalabasa. Yan si Tita Nida. Nagbibigay naman ng kalabasa. Hello! So, sa palagay mo, pag may dala kang banana, hindi ka kakausapin ng kliyente mo. Of course, they will open the doors. Halika, pasok ka next time. Dala ka naman mangga. So, that is the fourth criteria here in Riway. So, before I end, I want to share a story. Gusto niyo pa po ng story? Isa na lang.
Yes!
Yan. Very good pala to eh. Yan. So, this story is about a woodcutter. Alam niyo po ba yung woodcutter?
Yes!
Nag-chop ng wood. Yan. So, nag-apply po siya sa isang boss na may forest. Sabi niya, boss, hire me. I can chop, sabi ko, easily 50 woods. So, sabi niya, sige. Sabi niya, I'm going to hire you. So, for the first day, this woodcutter chop 50 woods. Saglit lang. And sabi ng boss niya, no, very good. So, the second day, hello? Sa second day naman po, this woodcutter, chop, aga na naman siya. But he only cuts 35 woods. Uy, kumonte?
Yes!
On the third day, sabi niya, sige, siguro tinanghali lang ako, papasok ako medyo maaga. Nag-chop na naman po siya, but he only cut 18 na wood that day. So, lumapit po siya sa boss niya. And sabi niya sa boss niya, boss, siguro nawawalan na ako ng energy. Kasi, sabi niya, konti na lang yung na-chop ko na wood. So, ang sabi po ng boss niya, when is the last time you sharpen your axe. So, ano po yung connect dito sa Riway? Some leaders, they keep on doing do. Sabi sa akin yung slow machine, you do. Yaan. But, when did you last time sharpen your axe? And the reason we have this kind of leader sharing is because this is where we sharpen our axe. Because, you know, outside Riway, there are very many negative you can receive as distributor. They will say, slash pricing, marami mas mura, mas marami maganda. And if you're not wearing your Armalite bulletproof vest, your M16, you doesn't have hand grenade, pagbato po sa inyo ng problem ng mga kliyente niya, sabi, hindi naman ako pwede mag-Riway, ang hirap. Diba? But when you are well equipped, you are skilled. When you go outside Riway, diba po, you can lead them here in Riway International. And for that, thank you very much for coming.